In this time of social distancing, do you have to work online? To improve your virtual meetings and presentation, this video will be helpful. Hi, I'm Juliana, your presentation partner. Feel free to like and subscribe. When presenting online, maintaining your audience attention is very challenging. What works in person doesn't always translate well to your remote audience. So I'll give you 5 tips to keep viewers' eyes on your web presentation. Number 1. Interact with your audience. It's difficult to interact with the audience in a virtual meeting. It's harder when you don't see their faces with more than one audience. Since you don't see their facial expressions, you can't see how they are reacting, whether they are happy with your content and presentation or not. To create a positive experience for everyone involved and help build relationships, start the meeting with some icebreakers or some small talks. It gives everyone some time to adjust their sound and video without getting in the way of the actual video conference. And ask questions in between, like, so far so good? And any questions? You can call on people to speak or interact on the chat. No need to ask everyone around, but participation of several will change the dynamics of your virtual presentation. Number 2, location. Pick a right spot, a place without interruption. Whether the web presentation or conference is at your office or home, choosing the right place is very important. The location should be quiet and well lit. Background noise can be very distracting to other participants, and you need to minimize distractions. Proper lighting will help you look better on camera, and soft lights would even be better, which is the light you would get sitting by a window. Or if you are ready to invest, you can get some extra lighting. Either way, choose brighter places for your video conferences. What other participants see on camera behind you is also relevant. If you have a busy background, people might pay more attention to it than on the meeting itself. Make sure you have a neutral backdrop that derives focus to you. Number 3. Nonverbal, voice and gestures. For a webinar, it's crucial to dress appropriately. Some people think web interactions are not formal, and they dress too casually. How you dress depends on who will attend the online meeting, like your bosses, clients, or coworkers. In doubt, just dress as you would if you're going to the office. Speak clearly and slowly. It's nice to have some kind of microphone which helps amplify your voice. If not, try to speak as though you are talking to a group. Don't make distracting sounds. I would suggest removing noisy jewelry like big necklaces and bracelets. You should move and gesture slowly and naturally, but the best is to keep body movements minimal. Unlike in-person meetings, your gestures on a screen may be more distracting than convincing. Try to look into the camera so it looks as though you are maintaining eye contact with the person you're talking to. If you use a webcam, sit close to it to create the intimacy of an in-person meeting. Number 4. Visuals. The visual aspects of a meeting play a massive role in the engagement of the attendees. If you are preparing a slide deck, make sure it's visually appealing and in sync with the visual identity of the company or the topic. On each slide, you should keep the text to a minimum and try to use more images and graphs. Number 5. Keep it simple. Trying to do too much in one video conference will leave your attendees confused. For an efficient web conference, Try keeping it simple with a few topics to be covered. You can always supplement them with more resources later via email. So try not to overwhelm your attendees with too much info in one session. So, to make your next online presentation hassle-free, remember to interact with your audience, pick a right spot, check your nonverbals, have clear visuals, and last, keep it simple. I hope these 5 rules help you succeed your next virtual meetings and presentations. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I really appreciate your support. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy and, as usual, have a prosperous day.